guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my page, and to the old subscribers, thank you for returning. Wait, are you guys saying, like, look at my lashes? Did I try? I recently went for a wedding and I had makeup artists do my makeup, and it was really nice, like really nice. I didn't even want to clean it up. So today I bought eyelashes glue and I decided, let me try it out if I can do it. And see, I did it. But God, it took me like 10 to 15 minutes to get this right. Like, this eye was really difficult to get, but yeah, we did it. So guys, I have something new today, and it's this recent, it's trendy, so this trendy half board sweater, that's what they call it. I saw Kylie Jenner wear it, and I decided I have a way this thing can work for my followers. So I decided to bring you guys the juicy stuff on how you can have it without breaking the bank. You know, my channel is all about creating fashion on a slim budget, with a slim budget. Anyone, so guys, the next video you're going to see is me trying it out and cutting it. All you need is the scissors and glue. That's all. watching it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful, and I can't wait to see you guys try it. Tag me on Instagram at FikiPel, on Twitter at FikiPel, on TikTok at FikiPel, everywhere FikiPel. And I'll get to see your designs, I'll get to see your samples, and I'll post on my page too. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and share.